This is off of a 2016 KTM 50 SXS. I've had a lot of issues with the starter, the kickstart not engaging. I know there's a common problem is the little kickstart and gear here, or the spring. This spring has a little bit of wiggle in it. I have another one, and you can see a little bit of wear and rounding on that as well. Here's the ratchet gear. As you can see, this one is rounded off on those edges, and this is a new one. See, the edges are sharp. There's kind of a side angle, and there's a side angle of that one, so you can see how rounded off of it is. And then we'll look here again at how rounded off that is. So what you have going on is when this gear goes to engage, I could put this new one on, but it's still rounded off. So what it'll do is just blow this one out as well. So we'll go ahead and replace both. Even though this looks like it's going to hook up, it's still going to blow out and mess it up too. So just a quick tip: if you're going to replace that ratchet gear, take a look at your primary drive gear as well. You might need to replace it.